Achieve academic success with Acadeq, your partner in learning. At Acadeq, we take pride in providing a smooth and efficient process to help students excel in their academic journey. Whether you need help with assignments, quizzes, semester projects, or tutoring for any major, our step-by-step process ensures you receive the best academic support. How it works: 1. Reach out to us. Send us a message, email, or visit our website to discuss your academic needs. Whether it's a complex assignment or exam preparation, we are here to listen and understand. 2. Get a personalized plan. Our expert academic team will tailor a study or assistance plan that fits your specific requirements. We cover all subjects and majors with specialized tutors to provide you with the best support possible. 3. Work with our experts. Once your plan is ready, we'll match you with an experienced tutor or academic expert who will work with you closely. Get help with quizzes, assignments, projects, or tutoring sessions, all conducted online for your convenience. 4. Track your progress. We keep you updated throughout the process. Whether it's feedback on an assignment, preparation for a final year project, or tracking your quiz results, you will always know where you stand. 5. Submit with confidence. With Acadeq's help, submit your assignments and projects confidently, knowing you've had professional guidance. Our tutoring and assistance help you gain the skills and knowledge you need for success. 6. Achieve academic success. With our comprehensive and personalized approach, we ensure that you not only meet deadlines but also excel in your academic performance. Your success is our mission. Why choose Acadeq? Experienced tutors for all majors, affordable rates, quick turnaround on assignments, safe and secure process for all your data. Get started today. WhatsApp 17868877995 92370704343. Visit us at www.acadeq.com. Email support@acadeq.com and acadeq@icloud.com. Acadeq, your path to academic success.